Alright, we're cooling down. We're just below the 180 mark. All gauges are still reading great. Holding steady at 45 miles an hour. Tracks down the road, really nice. It has a version of independent front suspension. right. We are in a 1937 Packard. Just gonna do some driving here while I talk. 4-door with the rear suicide doors. We have an all original car showing 24,787 miles. Three-speed manual, synchronized third and second. Speedometer is working. Oil pressure right at 30 pounds. Fuel gauge showing full. Temp gauge reading right at 180, which is why I'm driving it, trying to keep it cool. It sat and idled for about 30 or 40 minutes while I did my walk around video and finished up my photos. But it does run cool once you're driving. Typical old car, you don't want to sit still for. You got the start button in the center of the dash. Got your AC lever right there. Lets in some fresh air. I'm gonna leave it cracked. You have an external throttle control here, which doesn't appear to be working. You have great brakes. No signals. Horn works awesome. It's a dial there, dial here, toggle switch. Not sure what they operate. Headlights. There's your switch right there. Got a vent window. Does not appear to be connected. This one is. It's trying. I don't want to break anything. 2 sun visors up here. Pretty good shape, actually. Car came to us out of Minnesota. Runs great. Straight 8. Nice big steering wheel. Real pleasure to drive like that. Clutch feels good. Handbrake does work. All windows go up and down smoothly. There is some additional ventilation in the rear window via a bullet hole. Maybe 2. Looks like one for sure, the other one hit the trim. But she's running great, runs strong. 30 pounds of oil pressure, right at 45 miles an hour is kind of where it runs out, feels like to me. Rolling on some older bias ply white walls. I'd say they're good enough for putting around, but if you're gonna put on some real miles, get some fresh treads on there. Clock in the glove box is showing 9:10. We'll see how it goes throughout our drive, if it's working or not. So brakes, they don't really pull either direction. They come in pretty even. There's your synchronized second. And just put on around. You have dual wipers. I don't know if this is the variable switch that controls them or not. Like I said, no action out of these switches down here. Headlights do work. You have dual tail lights with a license plate lamp. All those worked for me. Paint's in good condition. This definitely was an outside stored vehicle. Originally, there's a stamping on the firewall from Fargo, North Dakota. So Fargo, Minnesota, now South Dakota. Safe to say it's been a northern car its whole life. For me, it's the kind of car you put an overdrive unit in, some fresh tires, you just keep driving it. But if you're looking for an awesome start to a restoration, we'll get some photos underneath. I have a video walking around under the car, letting you see what's going on under there. Overall, in really good shape. If you're looking for a good foundation to start a restoration or modify it like a street rod, it's all up to you from here. You have a heater down below, still connected. I didn't fire up anything when I hit these switches, fan motor, anything like that. But there is some radiant heat coming off of it. Alright, you guys, well, head on over to frankmanmotors.com. Check it out, 1937 Packard. Any questions, give us a call. There's an I'm interested button online as well that will get you in contact with the salesman. If you're on YouTube, leave a comment, like, subscribe, watch another video. Tell me some fun facts about Packards. I know there's a lot to learn. Other than that, guys, we'll see you next time. Thank you.